Daisy Kids.
10 lines essay on my favorite pet cat. Mickey is my favorite pet cat. It is my best friend. It has short black tail. It has white fur. It is small and strong. It has short memory. It loves to drink milk. It likes to play with me. It likes to walk and run around the garden. It is always so much of fun to be with my pet Mickey. Picture composition. This is a picture of a cat. It is white in color. The cat's ear is in pink. It has a small bow on its head. It is drinking the milk in the bowl. The bowl is blue in color and its outline is in black. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.